looks like it bled all over the counter. How are you gonna say that? Beetroot powder or ginger ale. So it didn't actually bleed all over the counter. Oh my gosh. Like spilled everywhere. Whoops. This is many hours later and I am... Oh, your best. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am at SBC Clearwater campus. I've been to two already today, so I have no idea where I'm at. And I'm enrolled in college. Yay! Yay me! Yay college. And I'll be starting classes in the fall. So and yeah, so this is many hours later. I think here a couple of things. I'll be rebranding the channel, redoing the channel art. You'll probably see that before you see this, and making more VOD photos because this is easier for me to do. Except right now because there's like a lot of people. Yeah, but you know, exciting things. Exciting changes. I will still do some of the other sketch style videos, but less often because they are harder to produce and take longer to make and have less reward. But not that they're not, you know. Anywho, to my outfit of the day. Oversized shirt, blue jeans, some kind of shoe, some shoe. And I chose incredibly poorly. It's making my kidneys hurt. It's so delicious. Watch me raise my pinky. Oh, back at the car. Funny story. You know what it's like to look for a black Hyundai Azera in a school parking lot? There's so many black four-door sedans. A lot of which that either look like the Hyundai Azera or they are a Hyundai Azera, but it's not our Hyundai Azera. It took so long. So long to find the car. Look at my sad face. And anyways, some snow at the college. Still sitting around. Keith is in class because he's enrolled this semester. I, on the other hand, will not be attending until the fall. I came along today so I can get my paperwork started. I just look so messy today. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram at Candied Bunny Pin, at official Candied Bunny Pin. I think that's what it is. You probably already know that I just sat around and ate junk food. Sorry, Mom. But, yeah. Exciting times. You having fun? I'm having fun. You having fun? I'm having fun. I'm having fun because I'm having fun. I'm having fun. So, this is actually the next day. I came in quite late from the college. I plan on doing something with this later. You'll see in the next vlog. And went right to bed because I was very tired. I can't be at school for 12 hours. It's too much. But if you like these videos and you want to see more like them, please hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe below. And I will see you in the next video. I still plan on getting that painting video up. I do actually plan on finishing that. And maybe a few other things, but most of the videos I'll be doing now will be like this. They'll be vlogs. So feel free to join me on my lovely journey through life, and occasionally Mr. Keith, you'll see him occasionally. Right now you didn't see him in yesterday's video because he was very, very sick. But till next time, bye.